How's it going, y'all? Today we have a 2500 Silverado Z71 Trail Boss, all black. Black on black, black interior, black rims, black paint. This vehicle runs roughly $82,000 brand new. It's a LTZ Z71. As you can see, real nice with the, I don't know if you peep how the tailgate hydraulically drop, so it's not just a bloop like on most cars. You have parking sensors. The rims are not bad. This is a new car inspection, everyone. New car inspection. Just got this in yesterday. 2025 Silverado 2500 HD. Black on black. As you can see, still got plastics. I took off the majority of the plastics already, but you know how the new car inspections go. Remove the plastics, double check all the functions. I love these little storage compartments that comes on these Silverados, I'm not gonna lie. 2500s, they the ones that have that compartment in the back seat. I actually like that. This one doesn't have running boards. Some comes with running boards. When I do get one with a running board that I have to install, I'll make a video installing the running boards. Let y'all see the process of me. Wheel locks. I already put those on the vehicle. I'm gonna give y'all a view from the driver's seat in about a second. Just giving y'all a walk around, let y'all see. It's a Allison transmission Duramax, 6.6. So it is a diesel. It is a diesel. With fog lights. Blacked out. The blacked out emblems. Yep. I'll stand up here and let you get a better view. 6.6 Duramax HD Allison transmission. Coolant's good, brake fluid's good, washer fluid's good. Go ahead and check the oil. Let me give y'all a look from the driver's seat. Storage compartments on both sides. I like that. Got your under tray. Trail Boss. Let y'all get a look at the dash. Blacked out steering wheel emblem. It's really nice. Big truck, but it's nice. Some of them also comes with the camera rear view mirror. I don't prefer that. Of course, you gotta love the back glass. And of course, sunroof on a pickup. You can't go wrong with that. It's just something about sunroof on a pickup truck that I like. I love a sunroof on a pickup truck. To me, it's just so cool. And you got a nice size sunroof too. It's not even like a little baby square sunroof. Show you the dash. You know it's a brand new truck, so you know you got your demo. It's in demo mode right now. I'm gonna keep it in demo mode. You got GPS, touchscreen, Google Assistant. Can't go wrong. So yeah, this is your brand new 2025 2500 HD. 2500 Silverado. Diesel, Duramax. Let me go ahead and, all the emblems are blacked out, front and back. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and check the oil, put nitrogen in the tires, and get it ready for detail. That's it. Put it in detail. We'll get it ready for wash up, and it'll be on the lot. All right, y'all. Have a good one.